students, listen. Now we are going to do one small activity. Our objective is to create this pantograph using the kinematic linkages. So for this, now I will tell what are the materials required. First thing we need is ice cream sticks. So some enormous ice cream sticks is needed. At least for doing this pantograph, 10 ice cream sticks may be needed. And one small scissor and two elastic bands, two rubber bands. And this is the small bolt and nut. The specification of this small bolt and nut is it is less than half inch. It is a half-inch bolt, and this is a small nut. So this small bolt and nut is used to connect within this, connect for joints within this ice cream sticks. And at least some 5 to 6 bolts and nuts is needed for conducting this activity. And at last, the small pencil. This is enough. So first step what we are going to do is, you should take at least 6 ice cream sticks. So 1 2 3 6. So let us take 6 ice cream sticks and just to make one point. So we need to make holes on the two sides of this ice cream sticks. This is the first thing. So எப்படி போடணும் அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, first you should take the one side of the ice cream stick like this and take one half inch side. This is 1 inch and take this half inch. So at this half inch you just to make a point like this, and similarly on the other side. So take the distance of the 0.5 inch, that is half inch, from the tip of the ice cream stick and make a markings here. Okay, then our purpose is to make a small hole in these two area. Okay, how to make a small hole using this ice cream stick, with this ice cream stick? It is very simple. Using this small scissor, it is enough to make a hole. So now I am going to tell you how to make a hole. So this is the marked point. So in this point, just use the scissor like this, and please hold tight on the side surface of this ice cream stick, otherwise it will make a breakage. Okay, so without making any damage, you try to make one hole in this ice cream sticks. So just like this. Okay, this side it will come like this. So idhula painting appadina just a small hole is enough. So like this you just made a hole. So evlo diaxar hole ponnom, the diameter of the hole, no need to for proper dimension. Our objective is this bolt that you have, it should be inserted within this circle, or else you should extend this hole. கொஞ்சம் எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. So our objective is, you have to insert at least this bolt through this joint. ஓகேங்களா? In case if it got breakage means no problem, this entire mechanism it works, and this is the setup. ஓகேங்களா? So similarly you should make the hole on the other side. So this is the initial setup. So like this you need to put holes for all these 6 ice cream sticks. Okay, so now the 6 ice cream sticks has been ready. So each and every ice cream sticks should be made with these 2 holes on this both sides, and this holes diameter is based upon the insertion of this bolt that we are already having. Okay, now what we are going to do is take 4 ice cream sticks. Okay, so take this Fevicol. Now you need one permanent connection within these 2 ice cream sticks. So insert the bolt here, and made this like this. And first we need to arrest this rotations for these 2 ice cream sticks alone. So for that, how to arrest these two rotations here, just with the use of this Fevicol. So what I am going to do is, now I am going to apply Fevicol over here. So once if I apply Fevicol here, okay, then hold it hide for few minutes. Then these two ice cream sticks will be sticked together tight. So our purpose is just to make the long linkage like this, but with the interconnection of this joint. So don't forget to insert a bolt here. So keep it here for some time. So then only it will make the strong bonding connection within each other. Similarly, make the preparation of the other two. Keep it here for some time. So then only it will make some strong bond connection between these two. Then in between these times, so just to take one another ice cream sticks like this and break it into two. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to keep the pencils. We are going to keep the pencil like this, just like a compass arrangements. So for this I am going to use this elastic band. So please see how I am using this elastic band to keep the pencil along with this ice cream sticks. So keep the pencil like this. So you can adjust the height of the pencil by using the slight arrangements. So இந்த மாதிரி கொஞ்சம் பென்சில்ஸை கொஞ்சம் எசென்ஷியலாக ரெடி பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Once if this setup is ready, then you have to keep a hold. So take here. So at this point our requirement is to make a slot. ஹோலுங்கிறது ஒரு சின்ன ஹோல். ஸோ இந்த சைடு சர்ஃபேஸ் ஃபுல்லாக we have to make one small slot. So our objective is to make a slot. So slot means, so just to remove some excess material in this. So the purpose is we have to insert this one ice cream sticks towards this. So within this ice cream sticks, one ice cream sticks, it should pass through this slot and it should becomes there. So almost it's over. So our objective is to make a slot hole like this. So once if it is over, so even if it is gets small breakage here, don't worry about this. Our objective is to just make another ice cream sticks to pass within this area like this. So like this setups we want to make. Okay, now I am removing this. So almost these two major links are ready. So first what I am going to do is, so almost to keep the bottom surface of the nut will be always like this, and here this is the first link. So for this one I am going to put the nut like this. And here this is the next one. Now I am going to put a bolt like this. So always insert a bolt from the downward direction. So please put a nut here. Okay, now this is ready. Okay, then take another 2 ice cream sticks like this, and first one, insert the ice cream sticks one over here and put a nut. And please note, be sure that this link should be in oscillating movements like this, and this should be fixed, it should not be oscillated. So that's why we keep rigid by applying a Fevicol here, and similarly on here too, and just apply a nut here. And this link also made should be oscillating like this, and here you should make one bolt here. In case if you got any small crack, don't worry about it, it works. So that's all about my setup. So this is the complete setup. So if I keep extending the arm like this, it will work like this. Okay, so here at this tip, so already we made the pencil like this. So here what we are going to do is, I am going to insert the pencil in this order, and here use one another elastic band to make a rigid contact with each other. Okay, so that's all. At the end it should be like this. Okay, now our pantograph setup is ready. Now it's the time to do the working of this, how effectively this pantograph is working. So for verification and testing of this pantograph, here I have drawn one small drawing. What is the objective of this pantograph? This pantograph is a device which is used to draw or write anything here, but it should be draw right on the other side in an increased scale. The scale should be increased. If you write or draw on this side, then it can be able to reduce the scale here. So if you, instead of keeping the pencil in this side, then you can able to draw the reduced scale of the entire content. So now I am going to make the test. So here alone I am going to keep the pencil. So in case if I want to work, so this stud will be act as a virtual pencil for me. So for this side I want to keep this end as the static end, so I could able to move anything along in this paper. So for this, if I want to make a trace of this heart, then this drawings is available here now. So this pencil is traced that entire output in a very light manner. Now I am going to trace it over here. So this is the output. So this is the thing that we want to draw, and this is the output of the entire drawing using this pantograph setup. So in case if I write anything here, if I write KCET here, so keep the end here, So here this is the output. So this is T, this is E, this is C, and this is A. So this is our KCET. So using this entire pantograph setup, I could able to write the increased scale of this text here. So thank you. So try it by your own, and please post your output drawing to us. Thank you.